Hello. Today I'm going to talk to you about landline phones and a problem we had and a quick fix. What was happening is we could dial out from our landline phone, and trust me, I get it. A lot of people don't have landlines nowadays and they just have their cell phone. Well, we choose to keep our landline phone because we can fax. And I haven't found a way to fax with the cell phone other than third parties, and you still pay for it. And you know, we're faxing maybe once or twice a month. We have to fax something or get a fax. And plus I have this printer, scanner, fax, copier. And if you check my channel out, I've done a nice review on the Epson ET4760. Trust me, I've had a lot of home printers, and this is the best one, and it's cost savings. It saves you hundreds of dollars, if not thousands, depending on how much you print. But check out my review of it on my channel. But today I'm talking to you about landline and the problem we had. Our problem, real quick, our problem was it was busy all the time. If you call from outside or call from our cell phone, the line was busy. However, we got a dial tone. I couldn't figure it out. I tried everything before I called. I unplugged the cordless phones around the house. I unplugged them all. I even unplugged the main line, and it would still ring busy. And so I couldn't figure it out. I called AT&T on Saturday. First, you got to go through a robot, and the robot reset my modem. I knew that wasn't it because I had already reset the modem, but I had to go through the robot, and the robot reset the modem, and finally he gave me an agent. The agent came on, did some diagnostic tests, and said, "We can't fix it from here. We think it's your modem. We'll send you a new modem." I said, "Okay, whatever." And so they sent me a new modem. They sent a new modem, and it arrived Monday, very promptly. And I'll tell you what, I put the new modem together, and I'm very experienced with doing a lot of that stuff. With landlines and cell phones. Heck, I worked for a Radio Shack part-time for 17 years. And I knew a lot about phones before I started working there, but I learned a lot about phones and hooking them up and taking them down and all that. So I'm very experienced with landline and cell phones, but I could not figure that out. And so I got the new modem, I hooked it up, and my goodness, it was still ringing busy. And so that's when I called AT&T back. Hold on, I gotta get this. Yeah, Bill Clark. What? You can dial out from your phone. This your landline? Oh, you can dial out, but you can't get anybody in. It's busy. Okay, I've got the fix. Okay, it's amazing you call me because I'm doing a video about it right now. I'm doing a YouTube video right now. The fix is *79#. You do that. You call me back. Tell me if that works. Because I'm doing a video right now, so you're going to have to call me back. All right, later. Wow, call me while I'm doing a video. But that's the fix. *79#. I don't know why they have the pound at the end, but *79 works. Apparently, inadvertently, somebody had dialed *78. *78 is do not disturb. So, and that puts your phone directly to voicemail or to a busy signal. And voila. So the second agent I talked to on Monday, he said, wait a minute, let me put you on hold. He put me on hold about 3 minutes, and he came back. He said, try this. He said, try *79#. And I did it, and he said, I'm going to call you to see if it works. And he called me, and I believe it was from overseas, but he called me, and the phone rang. I said, wow, that's the fix. I said, what is that? He said, and the lady tells you when you do that, she said, do not disturb is not active. So I did some more, and so that was it. It works, and I've got to return one of these modems. So the fix is, if your phone is busy from the outside, we couldn't get any faxes in, we couldn't get anything. If your phone is busy, *79. There's a whole bunch of star codes. Everybody knows, just about everybody knows about *67, *69. *67 is to make your phone anonymous when you call out. *82 if you have an anonymous line already, that way it's not anonymous. *69, that tells you who the last caller was, if they called in with caller ID and all this. So anyway, but *79 will fix your problem of your line being busy. That takes off the do not disturb, and that's it. You know, if you like my channel, please subscribe, and subscribe with the bell, because most of my videos are going to be for the 50 plus generation, and so I've got a lot of interesting topics to talk about. But all right, I hope that helped you. Have a blessed day.